From vision to reality, innovation flows through every circuit we create. At Kaynes Electronics, technology meets precision, powering a smarter future. This is where possibilities take shape, one circuit at a time. Welcome to Kaynes Electronics Manufacturing Private Limited, a proud subsidiary of Kaynes Technology. Nestled in the industrial heart of Chamarajanagar, our facility stands as a beacon of innovation and excellence in electronics manufacturing. Our facility is designed to meet the diverse needs of the electronics industry. Spanning over 17 acres with a built-up area of 350,000 square feet, our KEMPL has 3 dedicated production units: Alpha, and 8,000 square feet shop floor tailored for specialized projects. Beta. This state-of-the-art manufacturing facility spans 80,000 square feet and houses 7 SMT lines, including a dual conveyor assembly line, through-hole technology, and a semi-automatic box build line. The facility is equipped with integrated lean storage for raw materials, a burn-in chamber for durability checks, automated guided vehicles, and a high-voltage 60 kV test fixtures. Gamma, our largest unit covering 250,000 square feet, adhering to 1K, 10K and 100K cleanliness standards. With a dedicated team of 1,000 professionals, Kaynes Electronics specializes in PCBA, wire harness, box build and injection molding, catering to sectors like defense and aerospace, automobiles, information technology and medical electronics, with dedicated clean rooms for special projects. Our commitment extends beyond manufacturing. We prioritize safety with a comprehensive emergency management plan, including fire alarms, CCTV surveillance, fire hydrants, a public address system, and a primary health center equipped with ambulance services. Employee welfare is at the forefront, offering amenities such as a playground and a spacious canteen. In alignment with global environmental standards, Kaynes Electronics has implemented a sewage treatment plant, wind energy systems, solar power installation. Our future vision encompasses achieving net zero energy and reduce water consumption, underscoring our dedication to sustainable operations. Kaynes Electronics, where advanced manufacturing meets innovation, crafting the future of electronics with precision, passion and purpose.